The teachers are, I mean, next level, amazing. The passion that they pour in is contagious, and it makes you want to take every little bit and just spread it to all the ends of your community. They're wonderful.
Yeah, the teachers have been fantastic, loving, engaging, warm, really giving us the chance to go deeper into ourselves and connect with whatever the activities are that we're doing. And I would encourage you, if you're thinking about this and you see an activity that you're not really sure you really care anything about, like, don't let that bother you,
That's
because
gonna be your favorite one.
exactly the one that I was like, whatever. Well, it ended up being my favorite one, which was basket weaving, and I loved it. So yeah.
Like broom making.
Yeah.
I hate sweeping. I was like, no, this is not going to be for me.
Right.
But it was great. It was my favorite. It really is great.